Hi.
Everyone, it's Mommy and Mia from Surprise Eggs and Toy Fun.
We have a Shopkins tin today and it has surprises in it. Let's see what we have inside. Wow, what do we have?
We have surprise Shopkin eggs and Thomas and Friends mystery minis.
Oh, all right, let's organize it and we'll start doing surprises. Okay, we're back. We have everything set up and there were some Shopkins that were just inside the tin. So let's look at those first. First we have Pita Plant and Ultra Rare Brimmy. Is this Mixie Maxie?
Yes.
What's this one?
Bunch of bananas.
Bagel Billy. And
Wild carrot.
Wild Carrot. Okay, which egg do you want to do first, Mia? That'd be hard to open. There we go. What's inside? Let me angle the camera down a little bit. Wow, Mia packed all these eggs today, so I don't really know what's inside. Have a ring that has Pikachu on it. We have another ring which has a dolphin on it. And we have SpongeBob, and SpongeBob looks like he just ran a race car race. He drove a race car race and won. Okay, next egg. We have another ring. This one looks like a puffball or something. And we have an ice cream cone. It is Mia's favorite kind, which is vanilla and chocolate mixed. Okay, next. What? All right. Okay, this one is Party Plate. Put that back with the Shopkins. We have Hello Kitty. She's holding a flower. It looks like a daisy. Let me focus her. And we have a glow-in-the-dark lizard. And this lizard, I'm thinking it's an anole, but I'm really not 100% sure. Okay, next. All right, Thomas and Friends minis. These are so fun for me. I think they're so cool. This is Belle, number 6120. Let's see what other surprises we get. Ooh, this one's very pretty. Hello Kitty hair clip. Let's fix Hello Kitty. And another Hello Kitty. And another Thomas and Friends minis. This one is Millie. Millie and Belle can connect together. Let's put those up front. Okay, now next we are going to open our 2 surprise packs of Thomas and Friends minis. Can we get scissors?
Yes.
Okay, we got some scissors. It looks like it's down a little bit farther. With your fingers. Get it?
Yep.
Okay, who do we get? It's Thomas! And it looks like Thomas as a superhero. It's found out it's written on the bottom what it is. It just says Thomas. Okay, that one is really cool. Look, he has a little mask on him. Okay, let's put him there. And one more. we got, I think this is Percy. Yeah, Percy is number 6, and he's a green train. And this looks like the very classic, normal edition of Percy. So let's connect them together. We have 4 trains. We need to make a track for them. Hopefully next time we can have a track ready for them. Chugga, 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 choo choo. Uh-oh. The train came apart. Which one's your favorite, Mia? Yeah, mine too. Superhero Thomas. Okay, let's get a closer look at the toys we got today. We have 4 trains up in the front. Pokemon. We have Shopkins here in the back. We have 3 different rings, Hello Kitty, and an ice cream cone, and a lizard, and SpongeBob, and then the tin. What is your favorite toy from today, Mia?
I'll have to go with Hello Kitty.
Hello Kitty with a flower. I was thinking of that one, but since you picked that one, I'm gonna pick Superhero Thomas. What's your favorite? Let us know in the comments. That's it for our video today. Please click like and subscribe and share with your friends. And we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Bye.